Easy, quick, it will fill you up. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start peeling our cucumbers. I'm going to cut these down the middle. Get a spoon, pull out the seeds. You don't want the seeds. Seeds have no flavor and are very hard to eat. Chop these up. What we're going to do, we're going to take these along with tomatoes because they have a lot of juice and a lot of moisture inside, and we're going to put them in a strainer with a little bit of salt and let them drain out. Next come the tomatoes. Leave these in fairly large sized chunks. You always want your knife to be sharp. Like so. These tomatoes were ripe, they were got on clearance. I paid $1.42 for 8 of them. Gotta watch your bargains. Now our cucumbers and tomatoes are cut up. You want to add a little bit of salt to them. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, because what this will do, this will dry the moisture out. Cut one up there. This will draw out the moisture. Let this sit for about half an hour. Then I'll pull the water out. That way it won't make your pasta salad runny and too drizzly when you prepare it. Here's our cooked pasta. We're going to add a little bit of oil. Avocado oil in this case. Stir that up. This way the pasta will not stick to itself when we get ready to put it in the salad. While our tomatoes and cucumbers are having the moisture drawn out of them, we're going to make our salad dressing. We're going to start out with some parsley, flat parsley, curly parsley, cilantro, dill, any kind of weeds there. Half a cup of avocado oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix that in there. Then we're going to come in with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. What this does, it emulsifies everything together and it helps the oil and the vinegar combine. Then we're going to use some everything seasoning salt. Not too much. About half a tablespoon. Next we'll come in with some oregano. Good flavor. If you have fresh oregano, use that. Powdered works well though. Oregano, you want about a tablespoon of that. Cracked black pepper to your taste. And as always, some granulated garlic. Love our garlic. You can also use fresh garlic whole cloves. Mix this up. We'll let that sit for a while or make the rest of our salad. In the meantime, check our pasta. Looking pretty good. And we're going to bring in the rest of our ingredients. First, we're going to start off with 1 green onion. The ends, the stems, everything in there. Cut this on a bias so it holds more flavor and picks it up more. Now, let's change bowls first. Alright, now I got a bowl. We're going to come in with some Velveeta cheese. You can use any kind of cheese on this. Totally up to you. Green peppers. Piece them in there. I'm using half a bell pepper. This whole recipe is to taste, to preference, so I'm not really giving any measurements. You do you on these guys. 1 red onion. Both the ends off. Cut it down the middle. You want to slice this fairly thin. You can use white onion in there also, or yellow onion, but purple onion just gives it a good color. See how this is coming together? Next, we're going to add some sliced salami. Like I said, this is going to be a salad that eats like a meal. Going to add a couple of slices of pepperoni. Make sure those are all cut up good. In there. Wipe this off. Meantime, our tomatoes and cucumbers are still pulling out moisture. Next, we're going to come in with some grated carrots. These add a good flavor, good texture also, and good healthy benefit. Carrots are cut up, shredded carrots in there. Look at the color so far. Let's stir this up, see how it's starting to look. Looking pretty good. Still not done yet. We're going to add the zest of 1 lime. This will add a good sparkle and a good highlight taste. Good, fresh, clean flavor. Love fruit zest. Zest in there. Then we'll add a squeeze. Squeeze of the lime. Put this in here. We could have also put this in the dressing. Next, we're going to come in with some cabbage. Cut the cabbage off. Get our grater back out. You want to grate the cabbage pretty thin because you don't want it to be big chunks in there. Okay, now we're coming in with our cabbage. Fine grate. Here's our dressing. Pour our dressing in. Give this a mix. We're going to come back and bring in the tomatoes and cucumbers who have been sitting here for 20 minutes pulling out water. There's the water that pulled out. Here they are, and we'll fold them in. Look at this salad. This would be good at any table, any picnic. It was fast, easy to make. And let me give you a secret. If you keep it overnight, it's going to be a lot better. Give the flavors a chance to meld together. But you can obviously eat it right now. There it is. When the weather time gets hot, this is an amazing meal. It's a pasta salad. Everything in there you want. Great flavor. Let's see how this tastes. The pasta, tomatoes. Wow, that's really good. You need to try this. This is good. We're in Florida. It's hot. 107-degree heat index today. Horrible. This is a nice, cool, full, filling meal. If you want to know more how to feed yourself, how to do it quickly, different ideas, subscribe to our channel, share the video, give us a big like. We appreciate it. And we'll see you next time on Real food, spend less. Bye. You see my habanero and my cheese. I'm going to eat. I'll see you next time.